Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you have a pro or business profile. This is required to view analytics, so switch in settings now. Once done, open the TikTok app and go to your profile, then tap the menu at the top right. Navigate to Creator Tools and select Analytics immediately. This is the gateway. Make sure to set a date range. Default is 7 days, but change to 28 or a custom range to get meaningful trends and avoid misleading short-term spikes. You now dive into the 3 main tabs: Overview for Trends, Content for Individual Post Performance, and Followers for Audience Growth. In Content, open a video to read watch time, average view duration, and traffic sources. These explain how viewers found and stayed. Once you have that, compare 2 or more posts side by side to see what caused lift. Maybe a sound or hook performed better. Make sure to filter by time or hashtag to isolate experiments and identify repeatable tactics. You finish by exporting the CSV for the selected date range so you can track metrics over time and calculate benchmarks like CTR and average watch time. Then create a simple dashboard or spreadsheet, set weekly review cadence, and define targets for follower growth and engagement. If your analytics seem missing or data is stale, troubleshoot. Confirm you're on a pro account, update the app, clear cache, or log out and log back in. This usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.